Cars and Coffee, February 1st. Dude, there's a supercharged V6. What? What's going on, guys? Met over here, Lethal Garage. We got Breaking Bad with us. Oh, no, this is my dad. You guys don't know Lethal Dad. Here's his car right over here. Lethal Camaro's out and shiny with all the carbon fiber bits and parts since we put it on. We got Steve, Treble SS. Camaro G with his brand new supercharged E-Force Edelbrock V6, making some good power. What do you think of that setup? How's it feel?
It's amazing. It's really
big difference?
Big difference, yes.
Nice. But we are out here at Temecula Valley Motoring Enthusiast car meet. They've been doing this for over 10 years. And this meet is filled with a lot of older cars. Shockingly, huge turnout of Corvettes for sure. And the show was founded around big Corvette owners. So, but overall, we'll need to walk around and check out all the vehicles here today. There's quite a few of them. They're still showing up. Still early. What time is it? It is, what, 25 after. So let's go check out some cars. Hey, Dad, is there any cars here older than you?
Now the Flintstones cars.
Let's go check out my dad's 5th gen. Parked next to, well, he parked next to my dad. So as you guys know, my dad got a 45th anniversary. We added the ZL1 front grille with the Heritage insert. I think it looks super clean. Fast Tech Performance, we're working with them, get some lowering springs for this bad boy. Sit nice, get it a little bit lower to the ground, drop it at 1 inch all the way around. I think it's gonna look nice. My dad and his decals, he really likes the red accent trim. His reasoning for it though is actually pretty sound. He keeps getting T-boned by people that are running red lights, and so he's hoping with all the red accents people will actually see him. I think it's a good theory. It's a bueno. Did you clean it? Oh, we got to get him a cold air intake and a couple other goodies. Get my dad hooked up, lethalize it. 45th. My dad can vouch for this. Dad, what was the my first love car, if you can remember? My dad's got bad memory these days, forgive him.
That's right.
What car did I love the most?
Hot Wheels.
Come on, you remember the story. You
Like
even told me.
Carmen, yeah.
My dad was like, you may love something like you like your women. You see, he doesn't remember any of this. This makes me sad. And so he's like, if you must like curvy women. It's the Carmen Gia's got all sorts of curves. He was right. My wife is very curvy. Get that 2005 trash truck. So beautiful. So we got a nice little Porsche. Guys, when you go to car meets, please back your car in. It's like the secret. Okay guys, Hero taillights, or the Helix taillights? Post below in the comments which ones you like. Well, that's Temecula Valley Motoring Enthusiast Cars and Coffee, February 2020.
It used to be Cars, Coffee, and Donuts.
Yeah, I did used to bring donuts, but I was the one who brought donuts, and this wasn't my show.
I know.
What the heck? What the heck was that all about?
Well,
so it actually used to be Cars and Cozies, because that place was Cozies, and coffee was pretty terrible, so I understand why they went out of business. And they didn't really have good Danishes or anything. But yeah, it's a good time, hang out. No coffee shop nearby, which sucks. My dad stopped at a Starbucks, his favorite.
Maybe I'll bring a big pot next time.
That's all we got. Till next time, guys. See you on the road.